Hey everyone, it's Tara. Welcome back. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Alright, so we today are going to be testing out some new products from Born Pretty. I do have a code with them if you want to buy stuff off of their website. Or I will have the links to a lot of this stuff if it's on Amazon, if I can find it on Amazon. So first, we're going to be testing out this solid cream gel, and there's 4 different colors in here, so I'm just going to swatch those for you. This first one, I thought it was going to be like a bright solid red, but it's actually a really pretty jelly red, and it's really translucent, so very cute. It is really thin, so you'll have to do a couple different coats to build up the true color. Or if you want to keep it as a jelly color, then just use one coat. So anyways, I'm going to show you those here. And here's what the 4 of them look like. This was, I believe, after 2 or 3 coats of each color. Very pretty. And again, you can use these as jellies or, build up the coverage if you want to. And now we're going to be testing out this next color. This one is called BWH123, and it is a blue glittery, really, it's just so pretty. Like I can't capture the true sparkle and glitter of it on camera, but on in person it's just so bright and beautiful. And I'll show you what it looks like after 2 coats. So while the first coat of that blue is curing, we're going to go ahead and test out the next color. This one is BPNL07, I think. This one is a really bright pink, and you would not believe that this pink... this is not the same one I have on already. The one I have on already was from the Born Pretty Neon Gel Kit. There were 6 of them. This one is a standalone. This one is a luminous neon. And you guys, it glows. Yes, I cannot believe it glowed, you guys. So here's the second coat of the blue sparkly one. Super pretty. And that's what it looks like. It almost has a holographic sparkle, but it's just a really pretty rainbow. And here now is the second coat of that pink. This is a luminous neon. It's not the regular neon. This one glows in the dark, y'all. At the end, I'll show you what the glow looks like. So stay tuned till the very end so you get to see that glow. Alrighty, that's what all the gel colors I got look like. This one here is a solid nail tips gel. They say you're not supposed to touch it with your fingers. Just wash your hands, y'all. Your hands should already be clean anyway. There won't be no oil on them. But you're supposed to just take it out with the nail tip and push it down on your nail and cure it. Use base gel, put this down with the nail inside of the nail tip, and then cure it, and you'll have a colored base glue thingy. But I'm not going to be showing you guys that in this video because I already have nails on. Next, I have this gorgeous metallic gold solid drawing the names of these things be so long, you guys. I'm sorry, but you can see right there, you can see what it is. It's gorgeous. It's like a mirror chrome gold metallic. Yeah, so beautiful. So I'm gonna be using that today. And let me look around. I think that was everything I swatched. So if there's anything else like super important I need to tell y'all about, I will come in and tell it to y'all. But otherwise, I'm gonna go away and I'll let you watch the tutorial when it starts, because right now it looks like I'm testing out the lining abilities of this metallic golden chrome lining. Oh, okay. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see more videos like this one, and make sure you hit the little thumbs up so YouTube can know that people like this video and we can show it to more people. And bye.